How to download AliExpress application. So if you want to download AliExpress application, then first you need to simply open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you open your Play Store, go for the search and search for AliExpress. Once you've searched, here you will have your AliExpress application. Tap on the install button, and once you tap on the install, it will start the install process. And it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you can tap on open, and once it's installed, tap on open, which is on the right side, and it will take you to the application. So from here you can create your account or you can log into your account. So that's how you can download and install AliExpress application on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.